Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today we discuss about university scholarships. So if you already applied in 3 universities for CSC, then if you are looking for university scholarship, provisional scholarship and Shanghai government scholarship, so you can get everything which you want about this. So type in Google CSC Guide official. So these universities have no concern with CSC. So if you want to apply, if you think that you already apply in 3 university and want to give you maximum chances for scholarship, then you must watch this video. So this is round first for university scholarship, and round 2 will be uploaded soon, inshallah. So type in Google CSC Guide official and click on the first link. After that you can see here's the detail about all scholarships. So click on presidential scholarship or president scholarship. In this category you will get everything about university scholarship, Shanghai government scholarship, and those scholarships which have no concern with CSC. So you can apply in all these universities. So but first I tell you in this video, some universities have application fee but some are not. So let's start. First one is UCAS University Scholarship. Okay, UCAS University Scholarship. You can also apply for CSC in this university, and you can also apply for ANSU scholarship. But if you think that you already applied in CSC and want to apply for UCAS, just UCAS scholarship, then you can. But acceptance is mandatory. Acceptance letter is mandatory for UCAS University Scholarship. 31st of March 2021 is the last date, and first to fill the UCAS online application portal and upload all these required documents. Okay, so you can also check how many students they select last year. And the next one is Shanghai government scholarship. Okay, Shanghai government scholarship for the University of Chinese Academy of Sciences. Sorry, this is also discussed. So for Shanghai government scholarship for Shanghai International Studies University. Okay, just online apply. 15th of May 2021 is the last date. This is for all by bachelor, master and PhD students. So how you apply for this scholarship? First you fill Shanghai government scholarship application form and upload all these required documents, and need to pay 800 RMB application fee. Okay, first Shanghai government scholarship application form, and then you need to fill university online application form and upload all these required documents, and you no need to send hard copies. So but in case of UCAS university scholarship, this university have just online apply, no need to send hard copies and no need to pay application fee. You can check this. Okay, and the next one is next one is China. I will remove this from this category. So this is CSC scholarship. So China scholarship, China University of Petroleum, East China local government scholarship and university scholarship. Okay, so click on that. China University of Petroleum, Chinese local government scholarship and university scholarship. Here is the detail about scholarship. Okay, you can see for bachelor, master and PhD. So they just cover the tuition fee. So for PhD students they cover tuition fee and accommodation fee as well, and no stipend, and the stipend is 10,000 per year. Okay, and also the B and C and D category. So just online apply, no need to send hard copies. Scholarship started from March 1st to 15th of July. Okay, how you apply for this scholarship? You just fill the UPC online application portal and upload all these required documents. Okay, and now go forward to Shanghai government scholarship, Tongji University. Okay, click on that. This is the Shanghai government scholarship, and 30th of April 2021 is the last date. No need to send hard copies, just online apply. This is for master and PhD students, and first you fill CSC on Shanghai government scholarship application form. No, not CSC. So just fill Shanghai government scholarship application form first, and after that Tongji University application portal and upload all these required documents. No need to send hard copies, but you need to pay 600 RMB application fee. Last year they have they demanded 410 RMB, but this year they exceed to increase to 600 RMB. And the next one, Beijing Forestry University. Beijing Forestry University, this is for PhD students. Okay, and May 31st 2021 is the last date. Okay, and APF net scholarship countries students can apply. Pakistan is not included in APF net countries, so age limit you can check, and requirement also you can check this. And you have to fill online application form, Okay, and these are the supervisor list. Click here, just online apply. 31st of March, May 2021 is the last date. Okay, acceptance letter is not mandatory, but it's preferable, will be preferred. Okay, no need to send hard copies. Okay, and the next one is Southeast University Presidential Scholarship. Southeast University Presidential Scholarship, fully funded scholarship, and this is for master, undergraduate, and PhD students. So check stipend here. Just online apply. No need to send hard copies. Around about 30th of May 2021 is the last date. Okay, so you must apply as soon as possible. So how you apply for this scholarship? You just fill Southeast University online application form and upload all these required documents. No need to send hard copies and no need to pay application fee. Okay, and the next one is Ohio University Scholarship. So let's start. Ohio University Scholarship. University scholarship is for 1700 RMB for master, 2000 RMB for PhD. Just online apply. No need to send hard copies. May 30th each year is the last date. Every year, 30th of May. So how you apply for this scholarship? First, fill Ohio University online application form, and when you submit your online application form, then you need to pay 400 RMB application fee, and these are the required documents which you upload on university portal. Okay, and the next one is CSU, Central South University University Scholarship. Okay, so 2000 RMB for master, 2500 RMB for 2000 RMB for bachelor, 2500 RMB for master, and 3000 RMB for PhD. Just online apply. May 30th 2021 is the last date. And how you apply for this scholarship? First, you fill CSU online application form and upload all required documents, and when your initial review will be passed, then you need to pay 500 RMB application fee. Click here to apply on university portal and upload all these required documents on university portal. Okay, and the next one is CQUPT Mayer Scholarship. Okay, here is the CQUPT Mayer Scholarship. You can check the scholarship stipend allowance. So for PhD 35,000 RMB per year, for master 30,000 RMB, and for bachelor 25,000 RMB. No need to send hard copies, no need to pay application fee, and just online apply. 30th of April 2021 is the last date. So first you fill online application form. When you fill online application form, upload all these required documents, all these. So you have to fill first this Mayer Government Scholarship application form. Fill this form and upload it on university portal. Okay, just fill this form and upload all required documents and wait for the result. And the next one is CQUPUT Presidential Scholarship. Okay, scholarship should be could offset a part of tuition fee. Okay, and 6,000 RMB for undergraduate, 10,000 RMB for master, and 3,500 RMB for PhD. For PhD, it's per month scholarship, so it's fully funded. Okay, don't worry about this. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies. April 30th 2021 is the last date. So you can apply both these. You must apply from these two. You can apply only one scholarship at the same time. Okay, first you fill CQUPT online application form and upload all these required documents. Okay, all these on university online application form. You should upload CQUT Presidential Scholarship application form and all these required documents. Okay, the next one is East China University of Science and Technology, ECUST University Shanghai Government Scholarship. Okay, Shanghai Government Scholarship stipend you can check here, same as like CSE. Just online apply. 10th of April 2021 is the last date. You need to pay 600 RM application fee. First you fill Shanghai Government Scholarship application form. Click here to fill Shanghai Government Scholarship application form, and after that you need to fill university online application form and pay 600 RMB application fee. After submitting both these form and required all the when you fill these both these form, you need to upload all these required documents on both these portal, and after filling both these form, then you need to submit your all required documents with these two forms. Submitted form, after submitting you can download the form and send it to this email address, and your subject of your email is like this: your application number of university portal. When you fill the university online application form, a number will be provided, so the application number will be shown on your application form. This is your same like that. Okay, and plus which scholarship you applied for SGS plus ECUST for PhD students, and SGS Shanghai Government Scholarship and Chinese Government Scholarship CGS. So if you only apply SGS, then you must type your application number plus SGS and send it to this email address. Okay, and the next one is ASU scholarship, the most highly paid stipend. So institute scholarship, these universities offering ASU scholarship. ASU scholarship give authority to these two universities. They must select the student and give us the list, and they'll just give them stipend. Okay, and this for master and PhD students 3,000 for master, and for PhD students 6,000 to 7,000 RMB per month. Okay, just online apply. 31st of March 2021 is the last date. You can't apply both these universities at the same time. If you want to apply for UCAS, then you no need to apply on USTC portal. Okay, but must keep in mind, for UCAS acceptance letter is mandatory, for USTC acceptance letter is not mandatory, so you can apply only one of them. And these are the required documents which you should upload on UCAS and USTC portal. And the next one is Zhengzhou University, the largest university of China. Okay, and presidential scholarship, this is for masters, this is for PhD students only, and no need to send hard copies, and the still deadline is not confirmed, but so you can apply as soon as possible. For this university have two intakes, March intake and September intake, so you can apply. 45 years age limit. You must fill ZZU online portal and upload all these required documents. Okay, and the next one is XJTU Shanjiaotang University, XJTU University Scholarship. Okay, this is the university scholarship. 3,000 RMB for master, 3,500 RMB for PhD, and more. And also they provide also other scholarship, other means like B category and C category scholarship, in which stipend is changed from 3,000 to 2,500 RMB and 2,000 RMB for C category. So for A category, I think the stipend is 45 or 4,000, and fully funded scholarship. But for university scholarship, for master students or for PhD students who's selected for university scholarship in new campus, XJTU new campus, then you need to pay 600 RMB, 6,000 RMB dormitory fee for 6 months. Okay, so don't worry about this. 15th of March 2021 is the last date. How you apply for this scholarship? First, you fill XJTU online application form and upload all these required documents. When your initial review will be cleared, this is the university online application portal. They change their portal. Then when your initial review will be cleared, then you need to pay application fee, 800 RMB application fee, and these are the required documents. Okay, and the next one is Zhejiang University CSE University Scholarship. Okay, Zhejiang University Scholarship. Here's the detail about Zhejiang University. Just online apply, no, but they don't demand hard copies. No, they change their advertisement to they don't demand any hard copies. Okay, March 10th 2020 is the last date. Okay, and first you fill Zhejiang University online application form and upload all required documents, and you need to pay 800 RMB application fee. Click here to apply on university portal. So these are the required documents which you upload on university portal, and this is the first round. Inshallah, in second round we will cover those universities. We first prefer to cover those universities whose no need to send hard copies and no need to pay application fee. So hope so. Good luck and take care of yourself. We will meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.